Welcome, beloved child of Yahuwah. Find a comfortable position. Allowing your body to relax and your mind to become still. We are embarking on a journey into the very heart of the Father. Many of us carry a father wound, a deep ache from an absent, distant, critical, or unsafe earthly father. This wound whispers lies that we are alone, that we must fend for ourselves, that we are not worthy of a father's protective, providing love. Today we silence those lies with the roaring truth of Scripture. We will not hear my voice alone, but we will listen to the words of Yahuwah, the creator of the Shamayim and the earth, speaking through the not beam or directly to his children, to you. He declares his father heart for you. Let every word be a healing balm. Let every truth be a foundation upon which you rebuild your identity. Breathe deeply, and let's begin. Hear the heart of Yahuwah, who from the very beginning set apart a people for himself and called us his son.
And you shall say to Pharaoh, Thus said Yahuwah, Yasharal is my son, my firstborn.
He is not a distant father. He is your maker, the one who shaped you and now carries you through every season of life.
But now thus said Yahuwah, who created you, O Ya'aku, and he who formed you, O Yasharal. Do not fear, for I have redeemed you. I have called you by your name. You are mine. Everyone who is called by my name, whom I have created for my esteem, whom I have formed, even whom I have made. Yasharal 43, 1-7.
A father's heart is grieved when his children rebel. Yet his compassion never fails. He disciplines not to destroy, but to restore. Calling us back to his arms.
I shall be a father to him, and he shall be a son to me. When he does perverse, I shall reprove him with the rod of men, and with the blows of the sons of men. But my kindness is not turned away from him.
2 Samuel 7:14-15. Hear the tender cry of Yahuwah's heart through his not be, as he looks upon his wandering children and remembers his role as their father.
Then you shall say in your heart, who has borne these for me? Since I have been bereaved of my children, and am barren, an exile, and a wanderer. And who has brought these up? See, I was left alone. From where did these come? As a father rejoices over his children, so Yahuwah rejoices over you.
Yasharal 49:21 and 65:19. A good father has compassion on his children, understanding their frailty. How much more does our Father in Shamayim understand the very dust from which we are made? As a father has compassion for his children, so Yahuwah has compassion for those who fear him. For he knows how we are made. He remembers that we are dust. Dabarym 103:13-14. The world may see you as abandoned, but Yahuwah sees a treasured inheritance. He promises to be a father to you in a real and personal way. And I shall be a father to you, and you shall be sons and daughters to me, said Yahuwah Aliyun. 2 Corinthians 6:18. And when the enemy whispers that you are orphaned, hear the promise of our Mashiach, Yahusha, who showed us the Father and made a way for us to be reconciled to him. I shall not leave you orphans. I shall come to you. If you had known me, you would have known my Father also. And from now on you know him and have seen him. Yahuwah 9, 14, 18, and 7. See the profound love the Father has lavished upon us, that we should be called his children. And that is exactly who you are. See what love the Father has given us, that we should be called children of Yahuwah. For this reason, the world does not know us, because it did not know him. Beloved ones, now we are children of Yahuwah. 1 Yahuwah 9, 3, 1-2. And now, receive the Ruah of adoption, the Ruah Ha'Qadash, who bears witness with your Ruah. Healing the deepest wounds of identity. This is the ultimate seal of your sonship. For you did not receive the Ruah of bondage again to fear, but you received the Ruah of adoption, by whom we cry out, Abba, Father. The Ruah Ha'Qadash himself bears witness with our Ruah that we are children of Yahuwah. Rumin 8:15-16. Let these words sink into the depths of your soul. The great I am, Yahuwah, the Eternal One, is your Father. He declared Yasharal his firstborn son. He formed you and calls you by name. He rejoices over you with singing. He has compassion on your frailty. He disciplines you in faithful love. He promises you are his son or daughter. He came as Yahusha, so you would never be an orphan. He calls you his beloved child. He placed his Ruah in you, crying, Abba, Father. The father wound may have been inflicted by man, but it is healed by Yahuwah. The void you felt was shaped for him alone to fill. are not fatherless. You are not abandoned. You are chosen, loved, disciplined with purpose, and held securely in the arms of the perfect Father. As you go from this place, carry this truth. When the old wound aches, speak to it. My Father, Yahuwah, is with me. I am his child. Let this be your new foundation. May the Shalum of Yahuwah, which surpasses all understanding, guard your heart and your mind.
In Yahushua HaMashiach. Shalum, Yasharal. Barak YAHUAH.